Ma MK amahle, I think when we speak, whether ukhuluma ngesingisi noma ukhuluma ngesizulu, you need to first use this before this. Yabo? Because mawuzovela ukhulume njena ungacabanganga, then ama consequences alokho awabi mahle. Yabo? So I hope we are learning a lesson isama MK amahle ukuthi when we are trying to correct ama matters in terms of how you do your freedom of expression, as people say, you don't do damage. You don't allow the opposite to find a loophole to target you. Yabo? So ngikusho nje ma MK amahle ukuthi asiqale sicabange iqala masikhuluma, because they will use the opposition, they will use their mainstream media to pounce at you, to crush you, to paint you as a bad person. So your articulation might be good in terms of the dialect, with English or whatever language are you using, but you need to use your brains. Don't speak first and then think after. Don't be the mbalulas. Yabo? Don't be the mtolos. Yabo? Cabanga qala before ukhuluma ukuthi what are the consequences of my speech or the message that I'm relaying to the people. Don't lack don't lack emotional intelligence. Have a great scale of emotional intelligence. Yabo? If wena uzothatha ama emotions iqala wabeke phambili uthathe ngendluzula, no, the consequences are going to be dire. They're going to kill all of us as ama MK. So we need to be careful about that. Sicabangeni bafethu into esikhulumayo. Ilokho kubalekile. Njengamanje kufanele sibe resolute, consolidate ama masses on the ground. We need to strategize. Yeah. Those are the important things that needs to be done right now. We need to forget about the opposition and talking about other people's names. We need to do ama training manje o IEC. Yabo? Ukuthi lobuqhophololo lobu sizokuvimba kanjani loba bafisa ukubenza. Yabona njena uMalema kukhona ivideo ayenzile akhulume ngayo. I think Khonto kaShaka spoke about the same thing. Ukuthi kufanele kushuthwe izithombe lapha. Yabona uIEC maseqedile ukubala sibekwe islip lapha with all the parties. Sibekwe islip lapha all the parties sishoot odongweni. Makufanele singene ema groupini eMK singene khona sisobala nathi sibalele. Yabo? Sibalele ukuze masibone ukuthi lapha ya kwi-IEC center lokho kungenile nalokho kuthiwa kungena u20 kodwa kube ku200 basusa u0 njengoba dumale mesh. Siyabona ukuthi kunama discrepancies. Ngoba ngisho ngabalwa kuqedwe kuvalwe sekuthiwa kuvali uyakwazi uyokwenza irecourse ukuthi hayi kunama discrepancies u1 no2 no3 nakho nawo ama numbers ethu nazi ilipho. Yabo? So ke ekugcineni there are discrepancies la. Kahle kahle na inumber ekuyiyona original. Lese nithi nifakile lapha asiyazi. So asiphumene emagameni abantu ma MK. Asiphumene ekukhulumeni singacabangi, sisebenzise umlomo oqala ukucabanga kamuva. Viva MK, viva.